Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. And today I'm showing you a crafty project. It's non-Stampin' Up, although I have used some of my Stampin' Up hoard to complement this project. So basically this is following a tutorial by a lady called Scrap the World. I'll leave all of the links in the description box below. And once a month she does what she calls It's a Link Party, and basically puts up a project for you to create, and then you can post the video, or however, I think you can post Instagram shares as well, to her blog under the It's a Link Party post. So I thought I'd give it a go. My friend Kay joins in regular, so I thought I'd give it a go. So this is an embellishment box, but I can see lots and lots of uses for this. I've created it to put some crafty bits and bobs in, to send to a crafty friend for a swap or something like that. But as I say, I can see lots and lots of uses for this, and it would also fit cards in as well, handmade cards or note cards or whatever. So we've got a little belly band here, just slip off, and that cluster there was made by my friend Kay. I do use what she sends me because I do like them. And I've used some very old paper that is in my hoard that I've had for years. Some of you may have similar old paper pads in your hoard. It was called Sweet Paris. So basically, if I just put the belly band there, it opens out like so. So let me just zoom out so you can see the whole thing. So it's basically like a trifold, and each one of those is a little box. Okay, so there is a tutorial over on Tamika's channel for you to create this with all of her measurements. So I'll leave the link to that as well. So in the first one here, I have made one of these, I believe they're called index cards. I'm a little bit late to the party with these. My friend cut me some out while I was down at her house, and I thought I'd give it a go. So that is a index card. So that's it going in there. And then I've made these two really pretty decorative tags using the same paper line all throughout, and these lovely dies here, these are one of my new Stampin' Up dies. I'm going to be sharing that with you. Can't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but I am going to be doing a Stampin' Up specific video about it. Beautiful, I love it. So that's two little handmade tags there. Okay. And I've used the same paper throughout, so that I like coordination. That's why I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I like things to match. So here I've used the new Small Daisy Punch and created some cute flowers, excuse me, that can be removed from this backing sheet and used on the crafty project. You could fit quite a bit in here. These are 1/2 inch deep, so you could probably fit a couple of packets of things in, so long as they're not two-dimensional. And then in the final one here, there's some quite big offcuts when you follow these measurements, and I did use the offcuts to make some little note cards there and just package them nicely. And then I'm just adding a couple of little bits of lacy bits and bobs inside for the recipient to use on their crafting. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Do follow the links below in the description box over to Scrap the World's channel. I have followed her channel for about, I don't know, probably however long I've been on YouTube. Absolutely love what she does. She's very, very clever, very giving of her time, and produces an awful lot of videos with some great ideas for you to follow. So that is my submission to the Is a Link Party for June. Is it for June? Are we in June? Yeah. So I hope that you like that. I hope you'll give it a try, and I hope you'll come on, follow the links in the description box below, see what the other ladies who have joined in have made, and perhaps follow it, join in another month when Tamika uploads another theme for us. I certainly will be, because it gives me a lovely chance to just craft for the fun of it. You know, this is not for work, it's not for anything, it's just because I enjoyed it, and it's a fun project, so I strongly recommend giving it a go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye!